Hello and welcome to London Pool Company. Just finished up installing this pool safety cover, and I thought we'd give you a quick video to do a walk around. We did everything on this pool, by the way. Installation, concrete. We actually did some work on the pool house too. So just thought we would do a quick video. Some airplanes overhead, the air show's going on. So this is a nylon material that has thick like paracord type straps in between. So we can actually walk right across this thing. It's just designed for dogs and children and what have you. Sometimes the old way of doing it was just a tarp with water bags all around. But we got smarter as people. And now what we do is we actually anchor these right into the concrete with special little fasteners that actually go flat. Those pull right out. There's also inserts that you can put in to cover those so you don't see them during the pool season. So yeah, you can drive a car across this, they say, but I wouldn't suggest doing it. A dog or a person is probably pretty safe, but maybe don't drive your pickup truck across it. But there you have it, another finished install by London Pool Company. Safety covers, we got ya.